Topic is use of and an. Already we have identified vowels and consonants. My dear kids, we all have best friends. Likewise, the vowels and consonants also have the best friends. Do you want to meet the vowel and consonant friends? Here's the vowels. Vowel has a best friend and they always stay together. Here comes the vowel's best friend. Hi, this is vowel's best friend. Shall we read the vowel's best friend name? An. An is the best friend of vowels. Who's this? Consonants. Let's welcome the consonant best friend. Here comes the consonant best friend. Hello, this is consonant best friend. They always stay together. Shall we know consonant's best friend name? Yes, A. A is the consonant's best friend. Now I will tell you how we use a and an with a word. We will see the first sound of a word. If the first sound of the word is a vowel, then an will come with it because an is the best friend of vowels. And if the first sound of the word is consonant, then a will come with it because a is the best friend of consonant. So in umbrella, U is the starting sound of umbrella. U is a vowel, so we use an with it as an is the best friend of vowels. And in a bat, B is the starting sound and it's a consonant. And you know who is the consonant's best friend? Yes, A is the consonant's best friend. A comes with bat and umbrella, a bat. And now in a van, V is the starting sound. And you know V is a consonant. V is a consonant. And can you tell me who is the best friend of consonants? Yes, A is the best friend of consonants. So we use A with the van. A van. In the same way, egg. The starting sound of egg is E. E is a vowel. And you know who is the vowel's best friend? Yes, an is the vowel's best friend. An egg.
Thank you for watching my video. Do like, subscribe and share my channel.